morning class. Are you fine this morning? I'm great, thank you. Alright, what day is it today? Very good. Today is Friday, right? Because I'm wearing a t-shirt. And today is the last day of July. Because today is 31st, right? Okay, so today we will continue the new lesson before we end the month, right? Okay, so on Tuesday, you already finished Unit 5, right? And today you are going to continue Unit 6. But before we continue Unit 6, I would like you to review the words and the useful expression in Unit 5 first. What is the title of Unit 5? The talent show, right? Very good. And how many words are there? There are 10 words, right? Can you remember all the 10 words? Okay, so now read all the 10 words with me. Okay, here are the 10 words in Unit 5. We have stage, stage, perform, perform, audience, audience, muscles, muscles, trick, trick, nervous, nervous, show off, show off, sing, sing, watch, watch, laugh, laugh. And we also have one word, it's about, one useful expression, it's about show off, right? Show off means you impress others, means show off, right? Okay, so now we finish our review part. Let's continue our lesson today. Okay, now you can take out your student book and open the book all together on page 38. On page 38. Today we will focus only one page. Okay, are you at the same page? Page 38, very good. Okay, so you can look at Unit 6 all together. Unit 6, there are 3 words, right? Start with letter R, right? One is reduce. You can pronounce 2 ways. You can pronounce reduce or you can pronounce reuse. Okay, but I would like to pronounce reduce because I think you might confuse with this word. Okay, so this is why I pronounce reduce, reuse, recycle. Again, reduce, reuse, recycle. Okay, so do you understand the 3 words? What does reduce mean? Reduce means, example, if you want to reduce your clothes, means you throw some clothes away or you give some clothes to other people, right? So it means reduce. How about reuse? Example, before you wear the shirt like this, now you want to reuse. You want to reuse means when it is old, so yeah, you find it and you use it again. Yeah, you use it for a long time and you keep it for a long time. You don't want to use it anymore. But one day you think, oh, I want to reuse it again. Okay, so you find it and you use it again. How about recycle? Example, the clothes again. Yeah, the clothes. Example, if it is very old, so you cannot use it to wear again, right? So you put it as the carpet, yeah, to clean your feet like that. Yeah, sometimes. Yeah, or sometimes you use to clean your table. Yeah. So this one you use it again, but different purpose. Different. You don't use it to wear. Okay. You use it to do something else. We call recycle. Okay. Well, so I hope you can understand the 3 words well. And let's continue to another part. Here we focus on warm up, right? Warm up. And there are 2 activities here, A and B. Look at part A all together. A, find the words and number them in the picture. How many words are there? 6 words, right? Collect, us, bottle, reuse, reduce, and plastic. Okay, there are 6 words, but I add 4 more words for you in this unit. So there will be 10 words here. There will be 10 words today, but I would like you to focus on the 6 words first. Before you can find the words and number them in the picture, you have to understand the meaning of all words first, right? Okay, so now I would like you to learn all the words with me, read the word and learn all the definition or all the meanings, and after that you find and number them in the picture, okay? Okay, now look at the word on the whiteboard all together. 1, collect. Okay, you can pronounce after me. Collect, collect, collect. Okay, collect means to bring things together from different places. To bring things together from different places, we call collect. I collect paper on the floor. Okay, so you pick up that from from different places and keep it together in one bag. So we call collect. Okay. Earth, earth, earth. Okay, you look at this. Mean the planet that we live on. Okay, the planet that we live on nowadays we call Earth. I live on Earth. Okay. Okay, number 3, bottle. Bottle. Bottle, it can be a glass or a plastic container. Now I have a plastic bottle. Do you have a bottle near you? This one we call a plastic bottle, okay? Bottle here, it can be a glass or a plastic container, right? But I have a plastic bottle. How about you? Do you have a plastic or a glass bottle? Okay, number 4, reuse. Oh, I told you again. I told you just now, right? Yeah, I already explained the 3 words. Maybe I think you all can understand. Okay, reuse. Reuse means to use something again. Like I told you, example, these clothes, I used it before and I stopped using it for a long time. I keep it in the box or in the cupboard. Yeah. And one day, I want to use it again. I miss that cloth, so I find it and then I wear it again. So we call reuse. Okay, use it again. Use something again. How about reduce? Reduce means to make something less or smaller. Like example, I have a lot of clothes, so I want to reduce some. So I collect some clothes and then I give to the poor people, that they don't have good clothes to wear, so I give to them. Yes, we call reduce. So now I have just only a few set of clothes. Okay, so let's continue. Plastics. Plastics. Plastic means a light, strong material that is produced by chemical processes. Okay, so this one we call plastic. Okay, like I told you just now, I have a plastic bottle. Do you have a plastic bottle near you? Nowadays, usually we use a plastic bottle, right? Okay. Okay, now let's continue to number 7. Recycle. Recycle means to treat things that have already been used. Means you use it again. You use it already, right? You use it already, but you make it to use it again, but in another way. Example, I told you just now, this is my clothes, right? When I stop using it, I don't want to wear it again, so I use it to clean the table, I use it to clean my feet. Yes, so this one we call recycle. Get it? Okay. Paper. Paper means the thin material that you write or draw on. Paper. Here. You can see in your book, this is paper, right? Thin material, right? You can write or you can draw something on, right? Okay, so we call paper. Tree. Tree means a tall plant that can live a long time. tall and can live a long time. Tall plant and can live a long time we call tree. There are a lot of trees in the forest, right? Okay. Glass. Glass. A hard substance used for making windows and bottles. Okay, so at home you can see your window. Most of windows made of glass, right? Okay, and also this whiteboard. You see, this whiteboard also made of glass. Yeah. Now usually we use glass whiteboard. Yeah. And mirror also made of glass, right? Okay, so now I would like you to read all the words again, and I hope you all can understand all the meanings. Collect, collect, earth, earth, bottle, bottle, reuse, reuse, reduce, reduce, plastic, plastic, recycle, recycle, paper, paper, tree, tree, glass, glass. Well, so now we finish the 10 words. Let's continue to our part A. A. Find the words and number them in the picture. Now, I would like you to find the word and number them in the picture first. And after that, I will point to all of you. Okay, so now you have 30 seconds to find the word and number them in the picture. I hope you all can understand all the meanings of the word, right? Okay, do it now. Finish? Very good. Okay, so now let's check with me. Collect. Can you find the word collect? Collect means to bring things from different places, right? Here you can see this boy. Yeah, there are a lot of things from different places in one bag, right? So this one we call collect. So they collect this one, okay? Is your answer correct? Okay, if you're not correct, your answer is wrong, so you can write number 1 here, okay? 1. How about us? Can you find us? Us means the planet we live on, right? Okay, here you see the globe ball here. Yeah. So we call us. Us. This sign show the earth, right? Okay, how about bottle? Can you find the bottle? Here, a lot of bottle, right? 1, 2, 3, right? Yeah, 3 bottle. Yeah. So you can choose one. You can write one on them. But I choose this one, okay? Bottle, okay? Bottle. Okay, how about reuse? Reuse. Reuse means you use it again, right? Reuse. Can you find reuse? You see this boy here, reuse. He reused the bottle, right? He reused something, right? You see? Okay. How about number 5? Reduce. Reduce means you cut down something, right? Here, you see? You want to cut down something. You want to reduce some bottles, right? Okay, how about plastics? Can you find plastic? Here, they all use plastic bottles, right? Okay, so you can choose one of them to write number 6. Okay, so now we finish part A. Let's continue to part B. B. Match the expressions, listen and check your answers. Okay, you can look at this. Before you listen or before you match, I would like you to read all the information first. Now read all the information with me, and after that you can match the expression, and then I will play the listening for you. 1. Do you think it's important to help save the earth? 2. How do you reduce, reuse and recycle? 3. That's great. Why don't we talk to our teachers about that? A. Well, I'll try to save trees by using less paper. B. Of course, we should always reduce, reuse and recycle. C. Yes, maybe we could try to use less paper at school. Okay, so now I would like you to match the expression first. And after that, I will play the listening for you. Now do it. Finish? Very good. Are you sure with your answer? Okay, I hope maybe you are sure with your answer, right? Because it's easy to understand this conversation, right? Okay, so now you have to listen and check your answer. Now, listen.
Unit 6. Reduce, reuse, recycle. B. Match the expressions. Listen and check your answers. 1.
Do you think it's important to help save the earth?
Of course, we should always reduce, reuse, and recycle. 2.
How do you reduce, reuse, and recycle?
Well, I try to save trees by using less paper. 3.
That's great! Why don't we talk to our teachers about that?
Yes, maybe we could try to use less paper at school.
Finish? Very good. Okay, so now let's check your answer with me. Number 1. Do you think it's important to help save the earth? Match to letter B, right? Very good. Of course, we should always reduce, reuse and recycle. Okay, so if you want to save the earth, you have to reduce, reuse and recycle, and then you can save the earth. Okay, how about number 2? How do you reduce, reuse and recycle? Match to letter A. Well, I try to save tree by using less paper. Okay, so this one you can reduce paper, right? Okay, you use less paper. Okay, how about number 3? That's great. Why don't we talk to our teachers about that? Match to letter C. Yes, maybe we could try to use less paper at school, right? Okay, so you can talk with teacher and you can use less paper at school, right? Okay, so again, number 1 match to letter B, number 2 match to letter A, and the last one match to letter C. Okay, so this is the end of our first session, and in this session I hope you can understand all the words and read all the words well. Before we finish our first session, I would like you to read all the words with me again. Okay, now read with me. Collect, earth, bottle, reuse, reduce, plastics, recycle, paper, tree, glass. Okay, that's it for the first session, and see you the second session.